you literally stand there stunned, like a deer in the headlights, and for a second there you don't know what happened. When this happens repeatedly because somebody else is trying to powerful by putting other people down. So this was my client's story today. Well, number one, a cord is formed. That's an energetic cord where it's like in the field, the energetic field, there are fibers that are going to the other person. And you are constantly exchanging energies back and forth until that cord is removed. The third chakra goes off, and that can lead to pretty uncomfortable kinds of feelings in your physical body. Energetically remove the cords, go ahead and put the chakras in alignment, really strengthening that third chakra. Worked with the element of fire and feeling sadness. That's the element of water. But there's also old feelings of anger that are being stored in the body and the energetic system. So I want to help that client to release that, bring in the element of fire to really help her to work with that fire energy. Now, there are many things that you can do as well. I highly recommend that you get the the energy series so that you can start learning more about your own energetic systems. But when you can relate to somebody taking your power away because they need to feel good about themselves and it leaves such a bad feeling in you, you want to have the tools to be able to correct that. And that's why I want to share with you some of the things that clients are going through because it's real life and it could be your story one day. So that's it. Go ahead and get that series so that you can start learning more about your own energy. And because I'm going to get you to a place where, in that series, where you can start clearing and aligning your own energetic system. Tina Bridgettini here, and I'll see you in the next video.